I am organizing a hackathon with Nvidia, Google, and the purpose of this video, I want to show a little bit behind the scenes, how it is to organize a hackathon, what is the things that we need to do, and show a little bit of what people are building. So I hope you like this video, because there's a very interesting, like, behind the scenes, how those hackathons happen here in San Francisco. So let's get into it. How I come up with this hackathon idea. So I was talking to a friend of mine, as he's also a developer relations, and we discussed like what could be like a very interesting theme for a hackathon. And then it was like, oh, maybe let's do a World Cup hackathon. So then I was like, that'd be very cool. So the purpose of this hackathon here is for people to build things, something related to a World Cup. So today I am wearing the Brazilian jersey because I am from Brazil. Actually, it is the Neymar one. And there's also some people also wearing jerseys today. So the idea is within few hours, they want to build something very cool using AI products. Let's go a quick run through of what is the tools they're going to be using today. So today we have infrastructure layer. We have GPUs from Nvidia. So the GPUs from Nvidia are inside the GMI infrastructure. So GMI has those GPUs. And Gemini offers all the compute, so all the model as a service, the open source models in partnership with closed source models. So that's the infrastructure part. Another layer that we have here is also the layer from the models. So we have Google offering some new models such as Gemini and video models and image models and LLM models. So that's another layer that we have here. And the third layer that we have on this hackathon for the challenge will be Rocket-Ride, which is open source VS Code cursor extension. Another thing that I built was we have all those teams that are gonna present. We're gonna do 3 minutes presentation, and we have 2 minutes Q&A. But the thing is, we have 48 teams, 48 countries on the World Cup, and we got 48 teams, so we have pretty much 3 hours of judging. So it's gonna be a lot of judging. So we need to be very fast on the judging process. We have judges coming from eBay, from Meta, from Google, from Nvidia VCs. So if the VC likes what he's seeing, this might will become a investment. We never know. So what I want to do is I want to show a little bit of the setup here, and you guys can see what people are building.
Yeah. Pop in, burning like this, ain't checking my wrist. Third is my shift. Rolling all night like flex. We look at the clips, these credits are.
So we got the venue very close to the Pier 39. So can you see a lot of tourists passing by here? That's the venue. Before I enter the venue, I want to show you some things happen outside here. Then I'm gonna come here in a second. So I'm not sure if you can see there, but we have the Pier 35. There is a cruise ship there, so you see a lot of tourists passing by here.
Love that jersey.
Thank you.
Love that jersey.
Got it. So let's get into it here. Okay, have our video maker here, and I have a video maker. We got another video maker here. We have building here. I think she's talking to her agent right there.
Okay.
What you guys are building? 30 seconds.
So we are building the translation layer between robots and LLM. The way it works is that every single picture from the robot gets converted into this OpenCV pipeline, which gets converted into this 3D model on the pipeline. So every single action that the robot takes is no longer made by absolute references. It's only made by movement and by semantical references. So you can say, go to camera, or go take the medical supply and go go close to the soccer player. We are using the Rocket-Ride pipeline for getting the voice mode working. So the robot can talk and we can also listen to it.
Have Rocket-Ride team here. Joe, what the people are building today?
These guys are building a multi-agentic coaching strategy solution. It's pretty cool.
Oh, I can see it's speeding up the server here. Yeah. It's starting up the server.
Yeah,
nice.
all right.
Nice.
We're never coming down. Never coming down.
So I'm recording recording a vlog.
You are?
Yeah, it's like documenting like the process to setting things up here. And is your daughter gonna play today? Is she gonna be part of the one team?
I don't think so. I would like her to kind of see how they do it though. I was just explaining to her what a hackathon is.
Go hang out with people that have zero idea who they are and build something in like, let's say 3, 4, 5 hours.
Watches as I'm off mistaken. Is it deep enough?
Brasileiro. Você fez. Bom dia.
Bom dia.
Tudo bem com você?
Tudo bem? E você?
There we go. Oh yeah, there it is. Okay, this guy here has a question. Can you show us again the generation? So he's in Gemini.
I put anything I use, it says insufficient credit.
What are you doing there?
Trying to create this model. I've been struggling to create this. So the app that we're working on is basically a QR validation app. So what we're trying to do is we use an app and that app scans the QR code. We are essentially validating the payload of this QR code.
Okay. So this is feijoada, like beans.
Like sauce.
It's beans.
Beans.
With sauce, yes. With and pork as well.
Press the backs of our hands together.
So what do you have here?
This is cheese bread.
What is the name in Portuguese?
I don't
Pão
know.
de queijo.
What?
Pão de queijo.
Pão de queijo.
Pão
Pão
de queijo.
de queijo.
Yeah. Cheese bread.
Pão de
Pão.
queijo.
Queijo
Pão.
bread. See how quick it is internally? There's someone that just
So it's made of cheese.
cheese bread.
Okay. What is that?
Vegetarian food
Oh.
for
Okay.
for vegetarian folks. Thank you for helping the food. I get so busy you cannot eat. You gotta help to get the food. So what are you gonna get?
The steak?
You go for the kill. You go for the kill. No carbs, no salad. You go for the protein.
Meats down there, discount cards to the restaurant. So we're trying to like have the model do like an understanding of what's happened and then create like a counter scenario where we render out a video of what happens.
Are you watching the game or are you?
I'm trying to record a clip so that we can use it. I'm like Steve just watching football. Old match. Work.
I thought he was like watching the game. Like I'm working here. So I have the billiard table here, and it's like become like a table for people to work. They're working here. I think they're more focused to get the result. We have a total of $2,000 the first place, so I think people are very hungry today. What you guys are doing?
Changing the world.
Explain me why. Explain me why.
We all love soccer and we just wanted to create a product related to soccer and to the World Cup.
We're surveying what we have available on the internet about information regarding stadiums, restaurants closer to those stadiums, the events that are happening around those stadiums for anyone that's flying into the US or Canada to attend these events. All they have to do is tell us which team they are interested in, how many days they are here for. We give them the complete itinerary day to day, telling them which cities they need to fly to, where the stadium is located. Yeah, that's pretty much it.
So right now I'm working on a demo that I give 2 demos this morning. One works, another one fails. So I'm working on 1 demo right now, and I'm using my Cloud Code Max to the demo. So I'm gonna explain the demo in a bit. Once it works, actually it's working. Just want to make sure it's faster. And we're right now at 4 hours, 4:23. So we still have some minutes for like 45 minutes pretty much for them to submit their pitch and then their GitHub repo. So they're gonna submit team members and the GitHub repo. They're gonna submit everything on the platform where they share the link. So we can see people are super concentrated and you can see the projects they're building. Let me show you what's happening there. Were you able to fix
Yeah,
the API request?
not really.
Not really?
Not really. We are kind of bypassing without for now, just for doing tests. But
Oh,
now
cool.
we figured out that actually we have a technological challenge because here it's just creating heat map of the video itself.
Right.
But then if we want to do like pixel tracking, you know, like you need to do like feature detection because we want to rate the activity per scene, not per the whole video, because now it's just per whole video, right?
Right.
So that's actually a tech challenge that actually might be really useful, to be honest.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Oh, cool. Thanks for sharing. Nice. I can see that. Where are you coming from?
Originally from Brazil, but I live in Finland, in the Arctic Circle. So I came here for a bit of sunshine and some hacking. So yeah, I'm meeting good friends here. So Joy from Australia.
Yeah. Cool.
Yeah,
All
I've
right.
got Vlad here as well, represent the Baltics.
Alrighty.
Yeah, worldwide.
Cool. All right, guys. Good luck. So what did you guys build today?
So we built basically a system for robots to clean up trash after you.
So let's say I have this bag here and it is trash. So take a photo and the robot come here and grabs it.
Yeah, yeah.
And what if it's like a laptop or something like this?
Then of course it recognizes that it's a laptop.
How does it know that?
Because we're running through a Gemini AI model, visual model, and it first of all it detects whether it's trash or not, and then it classifies it to make sure that it's not trash. Yeah.
So first place?
First place.
First place.
That's right. Number one.
All right, the event is over. Everything's clear here.
Survivors.
The bag.
The bag with the dog.
All right, and I see you in the next video.